Dati ayaw niya sa akin, ngayon siya na fuck. Nagsiselos kanyang boyfriend at gusto lang manap. Dati ayaw niya sa akin, ngayon siya na fuck. Nagsiselos kanyang
So hello guys, we're home na. Currently we're in Coach Marv's home gym. Today we're gonna work out, but it's more of a transition phase. It's like a phase where we still we need to still be in shape while taking a break. So yeah, come join me for today's workout. Maybe later I'll play some basketball with my former teammates and my friends. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, and then next coach?
Nakaiga. Marches.
Oh, tama. Go. Bye. Wala na. Ito na si Coach Marv. The OG. The legend.
Roll. Up. Dip. Up. Step. Stop. Sa ilaw.
8.
Ay. Drop. Sweep. Drop hips. Elbow. Okay.
There.
Slow time.
Alright.
Three reps lang per side.
So we did a Turkish get up. First we did that with a shoe para ma-practice ang stability. That's what coach said. Next, I think we're gonna do with like a kettlebell na, so it's gonna be more challenging.
Ha? One rep lang. Roll. Step. Hips. Sir. Turkish get up po si Mateo.
Kuha ka na muna.
Huwag ko yan, sino?
Na, Turkish get up.
This is Ate Mo and Coach Marv. And their
Coach
cute
Marv.
baby.
Here ka.
Tapos gumanong-ganon siya.
He felt that one. Chingun for 2. He's one is now 13. Chingun and you.
Let's go!
Ba't nakabarong?
Dapat ito yung kantaw.
There?
Okay. Ito. Parang bar ka nga.
We're a little damp. Hey.
Warriors trying to add 2 more points off those hasty turnovers. They're at 11 right now. The GT. Thompson.
So that was our weight training for the day. Yeah, so basically it was like our this phase that we're doing is like our transition phase. Like I said earlier, it's like um, the, the the workout that we do, you know, during breaks. I would say it's not like, you know, the typical off season preparation stuff, but it's more of like staying in shape, getting your body ready, even though you're taking a long break, you know, physically and mentally. I think that basically sums it up. All the workouts we're doing here, it's basically like that. Next, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat together, and maybe I'll take a nap. Then later we head to the in my old college. That's where I'll shoot with my guys. We'll maybe do some ones, and I'll show you guys the footage sa among pagdulag basketball. It was nice to be back. You know, even though it's super hot compared sa Korea, but yeah, it's nice to be back home. So it's time for me to take a nap. Just got done, eating. It was a good meal, and I feel like, taking a nap. Yeah, I think I need to take one also kasi I'll play basketball later. For me to have some energy. So yep, I'll see you guys later. It's time to go sa CSB, sa akong old college, and play some basketball. Sup.
Hello. Wait, I'm gonna cross over to the left. Drill, go that way. You got good defense. A vlog without a vlog.
What do you mean?
So like you know.
Woo! Yes, sir. Okay.
Hi!
That's JC.
Felipe!
Who we are, Italian Stallion.
Ginawang American Cone!
Jimbo, Lolo, Pat.
Gao the vlog.
Where's Pat from JC?
Hoy, Pat.
From Africa.
Pat against the light.
We still about to shoot?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna shoot a bit more, okay?
Okay.
Guys, work hard. Stay humble, work hard.
He's capping. He doesn't talk like that.
Kanina pa ako
Alright, we about to shoot more, get some more extra shots in.
Yes.
Init sa basta. QR code. QR code.
Half court shot though. Who's gonna make a half court shot will, I think, get a drink. Is it gonna be you, Felipe? Are you gonna get a drink?
I don't know, man.
Tapos yung talo kung magpagati-hati sa bayan?
Oh, pwede.
Ayusin mo yung ano, magkakaya ka, wala ka.
Ano? Ilan ang mananalo? Oh, pasok. Tapos na. Pusin mo na, go.
Nandigan pa. So, yeah.
Felipe, one of this one, this one.
Ito masarap, smoothie buffalo. Grabe no?
Oh, grabe, mas.
Grabe kumpiyansa ba eh?
Gawin na sa...
Pasta.
Ayun, no? Sila yung pinakita ko.
Are you sure you're not pointing in the wrong direction?
Puti ko dyan ah.
Gago, against the light nga eh. Ba't silhouette to? Silhouette din dito? Silhouette ba? Yung ano? Pwede pa ng ano kuya, cheesy garlic. Opo.
August eh. 23, turning 24.
So tonight nato sa PGC. I'm waiting for my, I would say, childhood friends kasi we were friends since we were in elementary in my hometown in Davao. We're having dinner. I don't know where yet, but I think it's just around here lang. Yeah! Opa! So
First vlog. This is my friends. Tara.
Tari ka sa vlog.
So, nataas kayo, di mabot.
Meron ba
Hindi naman maniwala pa ako ba mag-basketball siya or na gano'n siya ba?
Uy,
Uy, nagaya ako eh.
grabe. Parang wala si Oxon ba eh? May kalo ka din.
Think ko yung color na
Ito. Wala.
mag-stay ba?
Kung mo palit ka ba yun, isa lang.
Kapag ka lang nilagyan ng close. Good luck, ha?
So that's the end of our day. We're already back home, and it's time to sleep. So thanks for watching. Salamat sa pagtanaw, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Good night.